Welcome to your French class. In this class, we will learn some expressions with the verb faire and jouer. When faire verb is followed by the preposition de, it is used for activities and sports. So it means when I say I'm doing jogging, I'm doing swimming, I'm doing surfing, or I'm doing picnic, I'm going to use the combination of verb faire de. Now comes jouer à. We use this expression for games and sports. Okay, like when I want to say I'm playing golf, I'm playing cricket, I'm playing basketball, or I'm playing cards, then we use the combination of jouer à. For all the musical instruments, we use the expression of jouer de. Like if I want to say I'm playing piano or I'm playing violin, so I'll use the combination of jouer de. Now let's have a look on the conjugations of both the verbs. Here we have got some sentences to fill with jouer à, jouer de and faire de. So let's start with the first one. Sentence number 1. Mon cousin joue de la trompette. Here he is playing an instrument, so we'll use jouer de. Because trompette is feminine, so we'll use de la. Mon cousin joue de la trompette. Means my cousin plays the trumpet. Now sentence number 2. Nous faisons de la randonnée ce week-end. Now here we are talking about doing hiking, so we'll use faire verb with preposition de. Because randonnée is feminine, so we'll use de la randonnée. Nous faisons de la randonnée ce week-end. We are doing hiking this weekend. Sentence number 3. Il joue de la flûte. Now here we are talking about playing an instrument, so we'll use jouer de. Flute is feminine, so we have written de la flûte. Il joue de la flûte. It means they are playing flute. Now sentence number 4. Tu aimes jouer au tennis? Here we are talking about playing tennis, so we'll use jouer à. Because tennis is masculine, so we have written au. Tu aimes jouer au tennis? It means do you like playing tennis? Now sentence number 5. Elle fait du roller. Here we are talking about doing skating, so we have used the verb faire. Because roller is masculine, so we have written du. Elle fait du roller. It means she is doing skating. Sentence number 6. Je joue du violon. Here we are talking about playing an instrument, so we'll use jouer de. Now, violon is masculine, so we have written du here. Je joue du violon. It means I'm playing violin or I play violin. Now, sentence number 7. Il fait du cheval. Now, here we are talking about doing horse riding, so we have used the verb faire with de. Now, cheval is masculine, so we have written du. Il fait du cheval. It means he is doing horse riding. Sentence number 8. Nous jouons au foot. Here we are talking about playing football. So we have used verb here jouer à. We have written au with foot because foot is masculine. Nous jouons au foot. It means we are playing football. Sentence number 9. Tu fais de la voile. Here we are talking about doing sailing, so we have used the verb faire de. Voile is feminine, so we have written de la voile. Tu fais de la voile means do you do sailing? Sentence number 10. Sait-il faire du ski? Here we are talking about doing skiing, so we have used the verb faire and ski is masculine, so we have written du ski. Sait-il faire du ski? It means, does he know how to do skiing? Now, sentence number 11. Tu aimes jouer au volley? Here we are talking about playing volleyball. So we have used the verb jouer. Volley is masculine, so we have written au. Au volley. Tu aimes jouer au volley? It means you like to play volleyball. Now, sentence number 12. Nous faisons du jogging. Here we are talking about doing jogging. So we have used verb faire de. Jogging is masculine, so we have written du jogging. Nous faisons du jogging. It means we are doing jogging. Sentence number 13. Il fait de la gymnastique. Here we are talking about doing gymnastic, so we have used the verb faire de. Because gymnastic is feminine, so we have written de la gymnastique. Il fait de la gymnastique, it means he does gymnastics. Sentence number 14. Nous jouons du piano. Now here we are talking about playing an instrument, so we have used the verb jouer de. Piano is masculine, so we have written du piano. Nous jouons du piano. It means we play the piano. Now sentence number 15. Vous jouez au cricket. Now here we are talking about playing cricket, so we have used the verb jouer à. Cricket is masculine, so we have written au cricket. Vous jouez au cricket. It means you play cricket. Now sentence number 16. Tu fais du jonglage. Now here we are talking about doing juggling, so we have used the verb faire. Because jonglage is masculine, so we have written du jonglage. Tu fais du jonglage. It means you are doing juggling. Now sentence number 17. Paul joue au golf. Here we are talking about playing golf, so we have used the verb jouer. Golf is masculine, so we have written au golf. Paul joue au golf. It means Paul is playing golf. Now sentence number 18. Il joue de la guitare. Now here we are talking about playing an instrument, so we have used verb jouer de. Guitare is feminine, so we have written de la guitare. Il joue de la guitare. It means he is playing the guitar. Sentence number 19. Elle fait de la natation. Here we are talking about doing swimming, so we have used the verb faire. Natation is feminine, so we have used de la natation. Elle fait de la natation, it means she is doing swimming. Now sentence number 20. Il joue aux échecs. Now here we are talking about playing something, so we have used jouer. Échec is plural, so we have written aux échecs. Il joue aux échecs. It means they are playing chess. Now sentence number 21. Il joue aux cartes. Here we are talking about playing cards, so we have used the verb jouer. Carte is plural here, so we have used aux cartes. Il joue aux cartes. It means he is playing cards. So these were some expressions with the verb faire and jouer. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.